Hello everyone, if you are looking for a way to earn some extra money in your free time, I have great news for you. You can make money by watching videos. It is not only an easy and simple way to earn some money, but it also a lot of fun. It's important to dedicate time every day to watching videos, and you will start seeing results in the form of real money in your account. Did you know that you can earn money just by watching videos? It's true, and it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your free time. There are plenty of platforms that pay you for watching videos, but one of the most popular is Swagbucks. If you are interested in making money online, then Swagbucks is an excellent platform to start with. Not only can you earn money by watching videos, but there are also other ways to earn points on this site, such as participating in surveys and games. The more you play or take surveys, the more points you earn, and the faster you can get rewards. It is important to be patient and consistent when using Swagbucks, as earning money does not happen immediately. However, with dedication and effort, you can easily earn an extra $50 to $100 per month just by watching videos. If you are looking for a simple and easy way to earn some extra money in your free time, Swagbucks is definitely worth trying. So let's get started with Swagbucks. First of all, you need to sign up for Swagbucks. It's free and easy to register, and after registration you will start earning points. Once you have earned enough points, you can exchange them for gift cards of real money. If you want to earn even more money on Swagbucks, there are several other ways you can increase your daily earnings. For example, you can refer friends to Swagbucks and earn bonus points for each person who signs up using your referral link. Additionally, you can participate in special promotion and bonuses such as Swaggo and Spin and Win to earn even more points and rewards. Another tip for increasing your earnings on Swagbucks is to use it daily. Try watching videos and completing all available tasks daily, even if it's just for a few minutes a day. The more tasks you complete, the more points you will earn, and the faster you will receive your rewards. If you are looking for a simple and easy way to earn some extra money in your free time, Swagbucks is definitely worth trying. With some effort, you can easily earn an extra $50 to $100 per month just by watching videos and completing other tasks on the platform. Now, if you are wondering how to earn points on Swagbucks, one of the easiest ways is to watch videos. Swagbucks has a wide selection of videos, from news clips to movie trailers and cooking shows. For each video you watch, you will receive a certain number of points. But that's not all. Swagbucks also offer other ways to earn points, such as answering surveys, playing games, and making online purchases. The more you do, the more points you earn, and the faster you will get your rewards. Once you accumulate enough points, it's time to redeem them. You can choose from various gift cards, including Amazon and Walmart. Alternatively, you can exchange your points for real money, for example, PayPal. Now you may be wondering how much money you can earn just by watching videos on YouTube on Swagbucks. The answer depends on how much time you are willing to invest. However, if you are consistent and diligent, you can easily earn an extra $50 to $100 per month just by watching videos. However, there are several tips and tricks that can help you maximize your earnings on Swagbucks. For example, try watching longer videos, as they usually offer more points. Additionally, keep an eye out for special promotion and bonuses, and they can help you earn even more points and rewards. Finally, don't forget to be patient and consistent. Making money with Swagbucks won't happen overnight, but if you keep working and putting in effort, you will begin to see results sooner than you realize. What are you waiting for? Register on Swagbucks today and start earning money just by watching videos on YouTube. And as always, if you liked these videos, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Good luck!